What's happening, guys? I got another video coming up. I've finally been waiting for this thing here. Finally arrived. My Attack Blue filter just came the other day. So we're gonna put this bad boy in this thing and let's see if there's a difference. It's supposed to give you like 11 horsepower, and it's supposed to give you breathing capabilities, and it's supposed to sound a little louder, a little more aggressive. I don't know. We'll see. Any little bit helps, but we'll get at it. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna do this outside because you know what? It's not a bad day. It's nice and warm, and you know what? Why not? Let's do a little bit of a cold start. This is Sport Cats. Good thing with the coupe, or not the coupe, the convertible, it's actually a little easier to get at the air box, because really all I have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 little things just unscrew. Whereas the convertible or the coupe, these things just unscrew like this. And then, the liner pulls out. Then you got your T15s to remove the liner. But in the coupe, you got those clips. You got like T15s. You got, all these clips that you mount your roof and everything like that. This is an easy job. It's going to be done in no time at all. All four of the little screw thingies are out. Just grab this, pull it out. Just watch these ends here. But anyways, this thing just pulls out, and that's it. We got those bad boys, T15s. Boom, boom. Having one of these guys helps out. You just pop her on. Anyways, not going to bore you guys with removing these, but out it comes. Yeah, and just like that, whatever it is, I don't know what it is, 12 or 15 of those T15s comes right off. Then you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8mm bolts somewhere in here. If I can get this on holding the camera. Not a big deal, but whatever. Yep. So there's like 6 of these 8mm bolts. This thing pops off, pull out the filter, throw in the new one. It's gonna be easy. So I'll just pop these out and go from there. All right, all 6 out. Very easy. This thing just, oh, look at it. Just wants to just fall out. There it is. There's the air filter. And make sure you don't mess up this gasket. Stays in place because, it's got to go back. I think this thing cover somewhere. I think this is a little cover that pops out or something like that, or maybe not. I can't remember how I had this thing. Oh, there it is. Just pop it out from the bottom. That's what it looks like in there. You got to remember, when this thing goes, when the new one goes in, this notch faces up. Pop it in. Poof. All right, let's get at her. All right, guys, the Attack Blue filter is in. Not gonna lie, it was a little tighter than I thought it would be. The instructions say, you know, it's designed to be tight fit and everything like that. So, you know, I had to, you know, I pulled out the hair dryer. Like they said, I needed a wheel to hop up, because the high wing gets in the way of everything you want to do. So it's a little challenging with the high wing, because it's got to lean over. But anyways, I read the instructions, heated it up a little bit like they said, started at the bottom, you know, press in on the bottom, rock it back and forth, work your way up around these radiuses, and then it just kind of like pressed in. But I'm not gonna lie, it took me a few times. So it goes, you just gotta be patient. Anyways, I'm gonna get this thing all buttoned up, put back together. But literally, you know, as long as this thing presses on, when you don't waste time there, this is literally a 10-15 minute job. And the convertible is easier than the coupe, just because you don't have all these clips for storing your that are connected with T15s for storing your roof in there. It's just 4 little thumb screws. Boom, they pop off, the carpet comes out. Then your T15 Torx, whatever it is, 12 or 15 of them, they come out. And then your 8mm 6 bolts pops out. No problems there. So yeah, let's get her back together and we'll fire it up, see what it sounds like. All right, guys, it's all done. It's all done. Everything's back together here. Gonna close this up. I'm gonna do a first start, and you guys are hearing this at the same time that I'm hearing it. Bear in mind, it's not a cold start, because you know, it's been warmed up a little bit. But here we go. I walked away too far from the car. I got that automatic security locking thing going on. All right, anyways, here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Got a washer today, because tomorrow is going to be a good driving day. Sunny and hot. Calm down a little bit there. Anyways, sounds good. It sounds loud like it was before. Whether I can hear a difference with that filter, I don't know. Got to do something. If not, best case scenario is it's reusable. You wash it, buy it once, and that's it. All right, that's it for now.